So, hello students, welcome to Dr. Haider Maths classes. So, today we will start definite integrals. Definite integral means कि जितनी भी इंटीग्रेशन हम लोगों ने पढ़ लिया है, चाहे वो इंटीग्रेशन बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड हो या इंटीग्रेशन बाय ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक बेस्ड ऑन डिफरेंशियल इंटीग्रेशन हो या डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हो, जो भी चीज़ हम लोगों ने पढ़ी है उसकी एप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे होएगी। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें डेफिनिट है तो कोई कांस्टेंट वैल्यू नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी और उसकी वैल्यू निकालने के लिए एफ बी माइनस एफ ए यानी कि फंक्शन अगर आपका इस तरह से दिया हुआ है इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ एफ एक्स डी एक्स ए टू बी, so this can be written after the integration we have to find the value of fb minus fa. Okay, we have to find this value where b is greater than a. As per this form we will start our exercise. Okay, so based on this come to the exercise number. Which exercise? Exercise 7.8. Okay, so the very first question is the question number 1, minus 1 to 1 and x plus 1 dx, right? So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करना है, we have to find the integration. So integration of x का क्या हो जाएगा भाई, x square by 2 and integration of 1 that is x and then apply the limit minus 1 to 1. Okay, and then find the value by applying this formula fb minus fa. So this will be equal to 1 by 2, 1 square plus 1 and minus the square of minus 1, that is 1 by 2 and minus 1. So this is 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 and here is minus, so minus minus plus 1 by 2, so it is 4 by 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, got it? Question number 2, integration of 1 by x dx. So as we know that the integration of 1 by x is equals to log modulus of x. Okay, and then take the limit 2 3 and apply fb minus fa. So this is log 3 minus log 2 and then apply the property of log, so log 3 by 2 because log of a minus log of b is equals to log of a upon b, and hence this is the answer of this question number 2. Okay, now the next question, question number 3. Limits are 1 to 2 and integration of 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x and plus 9. So start the integration. Integration of 4x cube means 4 and x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 5x cube divided by 3 and plus 6x square by 2 and plus 9x and take the limit 1 to 2. So this 4 and 4 is cancel. So what is left? Apply the fb minus fa. So this is 2 to the power 4. Okay, and minus 5 into 2 to the power 3 upon 3 plus 6 into 2 to the power 2 upon 2 plus 9 into 2. This is the value of fb and then minus fa. So this is equals to 1 to the power 4 1 minus 5 by 3 and plus 6 by 2 and plus 9. Okay, and now simplify. So this is 2 to the power 4 16, 2 to the power 3 8, 40 by 3 and 4 by 2 means 2, so it should be 12. Okay, it should be 12 and plus 18 and minus 1 minus 5 by 3 and then plus 2 3 is a 6 and plus 9. Now simplify. This is equals to 18 by 46 minus 40 by 3 and 9, 3, 12, 1, 13. So minus 13 and plus 5 by 3. So 46 minus 23, this is equal to 33, and this is equals to minus 35 by 3. So the final answer 3 is the LCM. This is 99 minus 35, which is equals to 64 by 3, and this is the answer of this question. Okay, got it? Okay, now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 4. Okay, so the next question number 4, this is 0 to pi by 4 and sine 2x dx. So the integration of sine theta, this is minus cos theta minus cos 2x. The coefficient of x is 2. So divided by 2 and take the limit 0 to pi by 4. And now apply FB minus FA. So this we can write minus 1 by 2 and cos 2 into pi by 4. Okay, and minus cos 2 into 0, that is 0. So this is cancelled. So cos pi by 2, this is equals to 0, and cos 0 is minus 1. So finally it is minus minus plus 1 by 2, and this is the answer of this question number 4. Okay. So now next question number 5, 0 to pi by 2 cos 2x. So this question I am leaving for yourself. Okay, because here is cos 2x and dx. So find the same as this. Find the integration of cos 2x. The integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, and take the limit 0 to pi by 2 and apply FB minus FA. So you will simplify this question number 5. Okay. Now I am taking question number 6. Limits are 0 to 5 and e to the power x dx. So as we know that the integration of e to the power x is remains same. So e to the power x, and now take the limit 0 to 5. So it is e to the power 5 minus e to the power 0. And limits are, let me check this question. The limits are 5 to 0 or 5 to 4. This is 5 to 4, not 0. 4 to 5, so this should be 4. So here it should be e to the power 4. Now take e to the power 4 as common. So e to the power 1 minus 1. And this is the answer of this question number 6. Okay. Now come to question number 7. And the 7th question is, limit is 0 to pi by 4 and tan x dx. So the integration of tan x, अगर आप cos के टर्म में लोगे तो माइनस लॉग मॉडुलस ऑफ cos x करना पड़ेगा, और प्लस के फॉर्म में लीजिएगा तो सीकेंड लेना पड़ेगा. तो मैं प्लस के फॉर्म में ले रहा हूं. सो लॉग मॉडुलस ऑफ सेक x. ओके, एंड द लिमिट्स आर 0 टू पाई बाई 4. ओके, नाउ अप्लाई log sec pi by 4 and minus log sec 0. Okay, so log sec pi by 4, that is log root 2, and this value of sec 0, that is 1. So minus log 1, the log 1 is 0. Okay, so this can be written as 1 by root 2 to the power log of 2 to the power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 log 2, and this is the answer of this question number 7. Okay, now next question, question number 8. So the limits are pi by 6 and pi by 4 and cosecant x dx. So integration of cosecant x is log cosecant x minus cot x, and now apply the limit pi by 6 to pi by 4, and so this will be equals to log cosecant pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 and minus log cosecant pi by 6 and minus cot pi by 6. Okay. So this value is log cosecant pi by 4, that is root 2 cot pi by 4, this is 1, and minus log cosecant pi by 6, this is equals to 2, and cot pi by 6, this is equals to minus root 3. Okay, and now apply the property of log. So log of root 2 minus 1 and divided by 2 minus root 3, and this should be the answer of this question number 8. Okay, now come to the next question, that is 9th. So 0 to 1 and dx upon root over 1 minus x square. So what is the integration of dx upon root over 1 minus x square? This is equals to sine inverse x. Good. Sine inverse x, and the limit is 0 to 1. Then sine inverse 1 minus sine inverse 0, and sine inverse 1 का मतलब pi by 2, sine inverse 0 means 0. So answer is pi by 2. Okay. And 10th question again same. So you will solve 0 to 1 dx upon 1 plus x square, and dx upon 1 plus x square, the integration of this will be tan inverse x, and then apply 0 to 1, and tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus 0, so answer is pi by 4. So you will complete this question number 10. Okay, now I am coming to question number 11. 11th question. 11th question is limits are 2 to 3, and in the integration of dx upon x square minus 1. So this is the form of x square minus x square. I am writing here, since dx upon x square minus a square is equals to, क्या होता है भाई, 1 by 2a log modulus of x minus a upon x plus a. This is the form. So on the basis of this form we will rewrite. So here a is 1, so it means 1 by 2, and log modulus of x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, so now take the limit 2 to 3. So finally it is, now apply fb minus fa. So 1 by 2 log of 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Okay, and minus log of 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. So this is 1 by 2, 3 minus 1, 2, and this is 4, 1 by 2 by 4. So this is equals to log of 1 by 2, and this is minus log of 1 by 3, and then apply the rule of log. So this is 1 by 2 and log of 1 by 2 and divided by 1 by 3. So the finally 1 by 2 log क्या हो जाएगा ये 3 by 2, and this is the answer of this question number 11. Okay, got it? So slowly questions थोड़े से बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, complicated होते जा रहे हैं. Next question is question number 12. So limits are 0 to pi by 2 and cos square x dx. So the integration of cos square x है ना, दो कोई भी डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन नहीं मिलेगा इसको, तो हमें ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा आइडेंटिटी पे कि दिस कैन बी रिटेन एज 1 प्लस cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, and 0 to pi by 2, and this is dx, and then apply the separation property. So this is 0 to pi by 2 and 1 by 2 dx, and minus plus 0 to pi by 2 and cos 2x upon 2 dx. Okay, got it? Now the integration of 1 by 2 means constant, so it should be x by 2, and take the limit 0 to pi by 2, and plus the integration of cos 2x. So this is equals to sin 2x, and the coefficient of x is 2, so divided by 2, so it is 4, and take the limit 0 to pi by 2, and now apply fb minus fa. So this is x की जगह पे हो गया pi by 2 upon 2, that is pi by 4. Okay, and now minus 0, and plus sin 2 into x pi by 2, so this is sin pi upon 4, and minus this is 0. Okay, sin pi by sin pi. So finally this is pi by 4, and sin 180 degree, this is 0, right? So plus this value is 1 by 4 into 0. The sin 180 is equals to 0, so the whole result is 0. So the answer is pi by 4. This is the question number 12. And now the next question is question number 13. Limit 0 2 to 3 x upon x square plus 1 dx, right? So this can be written as, अब यहाँ पे हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगा दें कि पुट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एस टी, सो 2x dx. हालांकि इस पे भी कर सकते हैं, x प्लस 1 माइनस 1 करनी, चलिए x square plus 1 st, so 2x dx is equals to dt, so the x dx is equals to 1 by 2 dt. Okay, so 1 by 2 dt, so this is equals to 1 by 2 and dt upon t, so this is 1 by 2 log modulus of t. Okay, and now put the value, so 1 by 2 log, and the value of t is x square plus 1. Now the integration is over, and take the limit is 2 to 3. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 log 3 square 9 plus 1 10, and minus log 2 square 4 plus 1 5. So this is 1 by 2 log of 10 upon 5. So this is cancel out. So the 1 by 2 log 2, and this is the answer of this question number 13. Okay. Now the next question number 14. And the 14th question is 0 to 1 2x plus 3 divided by 5x square plus 1 dx. Okay, तो 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 1, तो इसमें एक काम करें हम लोग के 5 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड ले लेते हैं. सो 1 by 5 एंड 5 into 2x plus 3 upon 5x square plus 1 dx, है ना? इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. So 5 2s are 10x, okay, and plus 15. So further this is 1 upon 5, and 5 2s are 10x plus 15 upon 5x square plus 1 dx. Okay, and now apply the separation property. So this is 1 by 5 10x upon 5x square plus 1 dx, and plus 1 by 5 into 15 and dx upon 5x square plus 1, right? So यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगा दें कि 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को t पुट कर देते हैं, पुट 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 एस t, so 10x dx is equals to dt. So this becomes 1 by 5 dt upon t. Okay, and this is cancel out. 5 3s are 15, so this is 3 or dx. जो dx का मतलब यहाँ से हम लोग 5 को निकाल देते हैं तो ये हो गया आपका एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1/5. ओके, so dt by t means log modulus of t. So this is 1/5 log modulus of t and the value of t is 5x square plus 1. इंटीग्रेशन ओवर हो गया, लिमिट लगा देते हैं 0 to 1. ओके, and this is 3/5 dx upon x square plus 1/√5 होल स्क्वायर एंड x स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर का फॉर्म लगा देंगे यहाँ पे. तो ये वैल्यू कितनी हो गई आपकी 1/5 लॉग 1 पे आ गया 5 + 1 6 log 6 एंड माइनस log 1. ओके, एंड प्लस 3/5 और ये हो गया 1/a मीन्स 1/1/√5. so this is equals to √5 and tan inverse 1/a means √5x and the limits are what is the limit? 0 to 1. So this is log 1 is 0, so 1/5 log 6, this value is 1/5 log 6 because log 1 is 0. और इसको कैंसिल कर लें हम लोग तो ये हो जाएगा 3/√5 प्लस 3/√5 एंड tan inverse √5 and minus tan inverse, this is 0. Okay, so the final answer is 1/5 log 6 plus 3/√5 tan inverse √5, and this is the final answer of this question number 13. Okay, 14, sorry. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 15. And the 15th question is limit 0 to 1 x e to the power square dx. तब यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करें, सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगा दें. So put x square as t, so 2x dx is equals to dt. So we got the value of x dx 1/2 dt. So 1/2 x dx means dt and e to the power t dt. Okay, and 1/2, so e to the power t हो गया आपका. और अब t की वैल्यू डाल देते हैं. तो e to the power t is x square. इंटीग्रेशन ओवर हो गया, लिमिट लगा दीजिए 0 to 1 and apply fb minus fa. So 1/2 into this is e to the power 1 and minus e to the power 0. So 1/2 e and e to the power 0 means 1, and this is the answer of this question number 15. Okay, now the next question number 16, and 16th question is limit 1 to 2 and 5x square upon x square plus 4x plus 3 dx. अब देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है आपका, ये दोनों की डिग्री सेम है ना भाई, यानी कि ये कौन सा फ्रैक्शन है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. तो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में हम क्या करेंगे, पहले इसको डिवाइड करेंगे और डिवाइड करके क्या लिखा जाएगा, कोशेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर. तो ये अपने आप फॉर्म में आएगी वैल्यू, राइट. तो इसको हम लोग डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 3 and 5x square, so it should be 5. Then 5x square plus 20x and plus 15. Change this sign, this is cancel out plus minus. So we can take minus as common. So 20x and plus 15. Okay. So this can be written as quotient plus remainder upon divisor 5 and plus minus minus remainder is 20x. Okay, so 20x plus 15 upon divisor is x square plus 4x plus 3, right? So इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो अब हमारे पास दिख रहा है। सो इंटीग्रेशन ये हो गया आपका dx। चलिए बाद में लिमिट लगाएंगे। तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 5dx माइनस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 20x प्लस 15, और इसको लिख सकते हैं हम लोग x प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 dx। ओके, है ना, हो गया। तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन तो हो जाएगा, इसका इंटीग्रेशन 5x आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे लगेगा आपको पार्शियल लगाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है भाई, सो पार्शियल लगा देते हैं। तो ये हो गया आपका, इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो गया 5x, और साथ में लिमिट भी ले लेते हैं 1 से 2। ओके, एंड माइनस इसको हम लोग I1 ले लेते हैं और इसकी वैल्यू निकाल देंगे। तो ये हो गया आपका, अगर इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें तो 5 2 10, है ना, 5 2 10 and 10 minus 5. So this is 10 minus 5 minus I1. So this is 5 minus I1. Okay, अब हम लोग इस I1 को सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं। So I1 is equals to, this is 20x plus 15 upon x plus 3 into x plus 1. So this can be written as a upon x plus 3 plus b upon x plus 1. Okay, and now LCM will remain same. So this is 20x plus 15 is equals to a into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 3. And now put x plus 1 as 0, x plus 1 as 0. So x is equals to minus 1. So minus 20 plus 15 minus 5, and this is 0, and plus b minus 1 plus 3 यानी कि 2. So the value of b is equals to minus 5 by 2. We got the value of b. And now put x plus 3 as 0, x plus 3 as 0. So x is equals to minus 3. So this will be minus 60 plus 15. So this is minus 45 is equals to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So minus 2a, minus 2a. So this is cancel out. So therefore we got the value of a is equals to 45 by 2. Okay, now integrate this one. So integration of 20x plus 15 upon x plus 3 into x plus 1 dx is equals to 45 by 2, and integration of dx upon x plus 3 and minus the value of b is 5 by 2 dx upon x plus 1. Okay, so this is 45 by 2, and integration of this is log x plus 3. ओके, अब लिमिट वैल्यू लगा दीजिए। तो लिमिट वैल्यू हमारी क्या थी, इसकी लिमिट वैल्यू क्या थी, 1 से 2 थी ना, 1 to 2 minus 5 by 2 and log modulus of x plus 1, and take the limit value is 1 to 2, and now simplify. Okay, so this is 45 by 2 and log 2 plus 3 5 log 5 and minus 1 plus 3 log 4. Okay, and minus 5 by 2 log 2 plus 1 3 and minus log 1 plus 1 2 log 1 plus 1 log 2. So this is equals to 45 by 2 log 5 upon log 4. So log 5 by 4, this value minus 5 by 2 and log of 3 by 2. Okay, now from first, so the final integration is equals to 5 minus I1. So 5 minus The I1 value is 45 by 2 and log of 5 by 4, and here is minus sign and minus, so this will be plus. So 5 by 2, 5 by 2 log 3 by 2. फर्दर अगर हम लोग इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लें, 5 बाई 2 कॉमन निकाल देते हैं, तो 5 माइनस 5 बाई 2 मैंने कॉमन निकाल दिया, तो 9 5 जो 45, 9 log 5 बाई 4 एंड माइनस 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 5 बाई 2 कॉमन निकल के आ गया, तो log 3 बाई 2, एंड दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Okay, got it? And now next question is question number 17. So the 17th question is 0 to pi by 4 to sec square x plus x cube plus 2 dx. Okay, this is the question. तो 2 और इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया भाई, tan x हो गया ना, 2 tan x, और x क्यूब का इंटीग्रेशन x to the power 4 by 4, और 2 का इंटीग्रेशन 2x, एंड टेक द लिमिट्स हियर 0 to pi by 4, and now apply fb minus fa. So this is 2 tan pi by 4 and pi by 4 to the power 4, pi by 4 to the power 4 and divided by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4 and minus 0. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, all will be 0, and tan pi by 4 is 1, so 2 into 1 and plus pi by 4 upon 4, है ना भाई, so pi to the power 4 or 4 to the power 4, 4 to the power 4 into 4, okay, and plus pi by 2, plus pi by 2. So the final is 2 plus pi to the 4 divided by 4 to the power 5, and the value of 4 to the power 5 should be 1024, and plus pi by 2, and this is the final answer of this question number 17. Okay, next question number 18. Limits are 0 to pi and sine square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. So just recall your identity. So the identity is cos square x minus sine square x is equals to cos 2x, but here is x by 2. So, but the minus sign is there, so we can write minus 0 to pi, and this is cos x dx. Okay, and now the integration of cos x is sin x, so minus sin x, and the limit is 0 to pi, and now apply fb minus fa. So minus of sin pi minus sin 0, and this value sin pi is also 0 and sin 0 is 0, so the final answer is 0. Okay, now the 19th question, question number 19, and 19th question is 6x plus 3 upon x square plus 4, and the limits is 0 to 2, 6x plus 3 divided by x square plus 4x. Okay, तो इसमें से अब हम लोग एक चीज काम कर लें कि अगर यहाँ से 3 कॉमन निकाल देते हैं हम लोग, तो 0 से 2, तो 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 4x, और अब यहाँ पर आने के बाद सेपरेशन की प्रॉपर्टी लगा दें, सो 3 times 0 to 2 and 2x upon x square plus 4 and plus 0 to 2 1/x²+4x, राइट। और यहाँ पर हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगा देते हैं, तो x² + 4 को अगर डी पुट कर देंगे तो 2x dx आ जाएगा। सो 3 टाइम्स log of x² + 4, okay, and the limits are 0 से 2, और ये फॉर्म हो गया आपका +0 to 2 1/x² + 2a² और x² + a² का फॉर्म लगा दीजिए, तो ये वैल्यू हो गई 3 टाइम्स log 2² 4 + 4 log 8 - 0 + 4 log 4, okay, and this is 1x² + a², 1/a tan inverse x/a, so +3/2 and tan inverse x/a, x/2, and the limit is 0 to 2. So this is log 8 minus log 4. क्या हो जाएगा? log 8/4, that is 3 times log 8/4, 2 log 2, okay, and plus 3/2 tan inverse 2/2, this is 1, and minus then 0, and finally is 3 log 2, and 3/2 tan inverse 1 is pi/4. So the final answer we got 3 log 2 plus 3 pi/8. Okay, this is the final answer of this question number 19. Okay, so this question number 20 is the important question. This I am taking. The question is limits 0 to 1 x e to the power x plus sine pi x divided by 4 dx. This is the question. Okay, तब यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या करें, इसको अलग अलग कर देते हैं। 0 to 1 x e to the power x dx plus 0 to 1 sin pi x divided by 4 dx। और अब यहाँ पर हम लोग लगाएंगे इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स बाय अप्लाइंग द आइलेट रूल। ओके, सो बाय अप्लाइंग द आइलेट रूल ये क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज फर्स्ट फंक्शन और दिस इज सेकेंड फंक्शन। So this should be equal to x into e to the power x dx minus integration of d by dx of x into e to the power x dx and whole dx, and plus integration of sine theta, this is minus cos theta, so minus cos pi x upon 4, and the coefficient of x is pi/4, so divided by pi/4। इसका इंटीग्रेशन हम लोगों ने कर दिया, तो यहाँ पे लिमिट वैल्यू लगा देते हैं 0 to 1, and this is equals to x e to the power x minus d by dx of x is 1, so e to the power x dx, and plus minus minus, और अगर इसमें लिमिट वैल्यू लगा दे तो ये आ जाएगा आपका 4/pi, okay, and fb minus fa, so cos pi/4, and minus cos 0, okay, and finally it is x e to the power x minus e to the power x, और यहाँ भी लाएं तो लिमिट लगा दीजिए, तो लिमिट हो गया आपका अब 0 से 1 minus 4/pi, और cos pi/4 कितना हो गया आपका 1/√2, और cos 0 की वैल्यू 1। ओके, यहाँ e टू दी पावर x को कॉमन निकाल रहा हूं मैं, तो x - 1, और अब इसके बाद मैं लिमिट लगाऊंगा 0 to 1 minus 4 upon pi into 1 by root 2 minus 1. So FB minus FA. So e to the power 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Whole result is 0. Whole result is 0. And minus e to the power 0, 1. And 1 into minus 1. So it should be minus 1. Okay. And minus 4 upon pi into 1 by root 2 minus 1. So this is minus minus plus 1 minus 4 upon 4 upon pi into root 2 and minus minus plus 4 upon pi. ओके, तो इसको कैंसिल करके हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसको 1 प्लस 4 अपॉन पाई, और इसको रेशनलाइज कर दें तो रूट 2 से ये 2 आ जाएगा, तो 2 रूट 2 आ जाएगा, राइट. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 और प्लस 4 अपॉन 5 पाई और माइनस 2 रूट 2 अपॉन पाई, and this is the answer. Okay, this is question number 20. And now question number 21 डायरेक्ट करेंगे हम लोग. dx अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज tan इनवर्स 1 बाई ए tan इनवर्स x. सो tan इनवर्स x का मतलब हो जाएगा एफ बी माइनस एफ ए अप्लाई कर लीजिएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका tan इनवर्स रूट 3 माइनस tan इनवर्स 1, और tan इनवर्स रूट 3 का मतलब हो गया पाई बाई 3, और tan इनवर्स 1 का मतलब पाई बाई 4, पाई बाई 3 माइनस पाई बाई 4, so that is pi by 12. So the option is D. So you will write this. Okay, you will simplify. Last question मैं ले रहा हूं आपका question number 22, and 22 question is 0 से 2 by 3 and dx upon 4 plus 9x square. तो यहाँ पे फॉर्म लगाएंगे हम लोग. सो 0 से 2 बाई 3 dx अपॉन 9 को मैंने कॉमन निकाल दिया, सो 4 बाई 9 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. तो दिस इज 1 बाई 9, एंड 0 से 2 बाई 3 dx अपॉन 2 बाई 3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर, और एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर का फॉर्म लगा दीजिए आप. तो ये हो गया 1 बाई 9 इंटू 1 अपॉन ए. सो 1 अपॉन ए का मतलब हो गया 3 बाई 2, एंड tan इनवर्स x अपॉन ए. x अपॉन ए मीन्स 3x अपॉन 2. ओके, 3x अपॉन 2, एंड द लिमिट्स आर 0 से 2 बाई 3. सो दिस इज कैंसिल होकर के 1 बाई 6 हो गया, और tan इनवर्स x रख दिया तो 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना आपका. 3 इंटू 2 बाई 3 अपॉन 2, और माइनस 0 हो गया, ये कैंसिल हो गया, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. सो 1 बाई 6 tan इनवर्स 1 आ गया, और tan इनवर्स 1 की वैल्यू हो गई 6 इंटू पाई बाई 4. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाई 6 into pi by 4. This is pi by 24. So the correct option is C, right? So in this way we have completed this exercise number 7.8 of your book, and I hope you like this class. And if you like the class, please press the like button, share this video among your friends. ये हो गया.